Hey you guys, I'm Deepali Verma and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna do this look right here, and this is the look that you can create for your Christmas party. And absolutely I just love these blue eyes with red lips. I just tried blue eyes for first time, but it is definitely looking amazing. And I've also applied lashes by Mink, and I just completed this look with this braid hairdo, and I applied beads as well, as you can see. say that please excuse my unfinished eyebrows because I had no time to do so. So just excuse me for that. And you can also get this makeup looks picture on my social medias like Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram as well, Deepali Verma makeup artist. I wish that this Christmas will fulfill all of your dreams and wishes, and Merry Christmas to all of you.